Hey guys, Rigo here with a global profit system traffic video. So in this video we're going to be going over my latest traffic run with the global profit system. But I wanted to talk about a little bit just what is the global profit system, so what it actually is, and then we'll go over my traffic results. So don't want to make this a long video because I know they usually go longer than I try to make them. You know, I try to stay, less than 10 minutes, but they usually go a little bit longer than that. So first let's go ahead and go over what is the global profit system. So the global profit system is a free marketing system. Inside of this free marketing system are 3 different income streams. So going back to free, there's no monthly fee, no one-time fee. I know there's a lot of marketing systems out there that cost usually a monthly fee, at the very least a one-time fee. Not global profit system. Global profit system is absolutely free to use, guys. You can create your free account. By the way, I'll leave a link down there. You can create your free account and just, get access to everything, and you'll be able to walk through the system. Check it out for yourself. So it's a great system. Like I mentioned, there's 3 income streams. So let me go ahead and show you guys what is inside of the global profit system. Inside are GDI, Global Domains International, the first income stream. Second income stream is Aweber. GDI, by the way, deals with domains, and I'll just say that to keep it short, deals with domains. Aweber is, of course, a list building service. You can keep your list there. That's what it is, and you can also make commissions from, promoting the tool to other people, which is a tool that, whether even if you don't have Aweber, you probably have GetResponse or some other thing, Constant Contact, Active Campaign. There's different ones, guys, but I've seen most of my mentors use Aweber, so that's what I've decided to use as well. I was a customer of Aweber before I ever joined GPS, so really happy that they're using Aweber. ClickFunnels is obviously a huge company right now. You probably see ads on your Facebook account all the time. It's created by Russell Brunson, one of the biggest affiliates in the world. A lot of people, getting those 2 Comma Club, making millions of dollars. The 2 Comma Club awards. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, a lot of people making a lot of money with ClickFunnels, guys. So it's a legitimate company. All of these are legitimate companies. GDI and Aweber have actually been around since like 1998 or 1999, something like that, guys. Something like they've been around for a long time, guys. So if you're going to be building residual income, you want to be building it with companies that are legitimate, that are going to be around. You don't want to build with a company that hasn't proven itself, that may or may not be around the next year. So you don't want to build a business through that and then have it close down and then your residual income is 0. Like that. So you don't want to do that. Okay. So then there's training inside of the global profit system, but you guys, like I mentioned, you guys can training right here. You guys can just create your free account and check it out for yourselves, or you can check out my YouTube channel down there, subscribe, check out my other videos. You guys can go over all of that, guys. So let's just go ahead and move on to my traffic results. Because again, I don't want to make this video too long here, and I usually do. So let's just go ahead. So I ordered 250 clicks, right, for my last run, and I received 94 subscribers to my list. So let's go ahead and do the math here. 94 divided by 250. So we can check out my opt-in rate. So 37%, guys. Really happy with that. I'm usually aiming for, and anyone should be aiming for, around 30%. A little bit lower, a little bit higher. So 37% is awesome, guys. Really happy with these results. From these opt-ins, I received, I think, about just one person who signed up for a free trial, which I've usually gotten more, but that's fine. Like I've always said on my other videos, I never really expect people to become a customer the first time they see the product, the first time they see, the marketing system, the first time they join it, because most people usually buy after they see a product 7 to 12 times, guys. So that's why this system shows you how to follow up through Aweber, through emails, follow up for about like 2 months, I think, are the email series is. And of course you can email them personally yourself, write your own emails. You should be doing that eventually, but since since a lot of people might be new to this, we have a email series that goes out to everyone. So that's you don't have to worry about writing your own in the beginning, guys. Eventually you should be writing your own emails, but just so you know, we've got you covered in the beginning. So yeah, guys, the system pretty much takes you step by step. Oh, why am I talking about the system now? I'm still talking about my results here. But yeah, guys, I received one person that is taking the free trial. Of course, for each income stream, there's a free trial period. So for GDI, they have a 7-day free trial, right? And for Aweber, there's a 30-day free trial. For ClickFunnels, there's a 2-week free trial. So your customer goes on a free trial. After the free trial ends, they become active if they choose to be, you know. So not everyone's going to become active. Some of them will. So you just have to keep, you know, adding leads, and just growing your email list, following up with them, writing your own emails if you want. So that's basically what I've been doing. That's how I've been growing my business, you know, making and growing my team, making more and more commission sales, you know, growing my residual income. So that's what I've been doing, guys. Yeah, so I kind of want to get into that, guys, but I'm going to make a different video. I'm probably going to be filming it right after this video. So they probably won't be uploaded the same day, probably a few days in between. But I really want to get into all that and how I've been growing my business and what I've been doing. So and I wanted to show you my some payment proof that I got from Global Domains International. So I want to go over that too. I got a check. You know, I've decided to receive my money through checks. So I want to show you guys that. So, you know, make sure to stay tuned for that video, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it for my results here. It's not very complicated. I received a 37% opt-in rate, which is very good. I'm very happy with these results. I got one person who's going through the trial, and I have other people that I did have one other person who became a customer by my follow-up email series. So didn't become a customer at a first glance, but a couple days later they became a customer and are taking a free trial. So, you know, that happens too. That's why it's so important to follow up on your leads. And I did have someone who actually, somebody on my team who referred someone else. So if they become active, I'll be getting a commission from that person too, which is, you know, that other person, I didn't do any work to bring them into the company. You know, my person in my team, they went out and referred someone to the products. So that's really cool. That's another really cool advantage of being a part of GDI, because you get commissions 5 levels down, guys. So that's awesome. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll get into all that stuff in the other video that's coming up. This has been my results. Like I mentioned, you know, as long as you're progressing, as long as you're getting more and more leads, you're doing what you should be doing, guys. Don't get discouraged just because even if you do a traffic run and there's nobody signs up, you're still getting leads to your email list. You're still growing your business, so you still should be happy about that. Don't get discouraged, guys. This is basically, it's a numbers game, guys. You just have to get your business in front of as many eyes as you possibly can. So with that said, guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know below. I'll be leaving my Facebook account, my email. You guys want to create your free account with the Global Profit System, I'll be leaving a link down there below, or you can just leave a comment down there. And that is pretty much it, guys. So all the stuff that I want to get into, I'll be getting into the next video. I just want to share my results quickly through this video. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching my Global Profit System traffic video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.